Alright, now while that's running, it's still not quite clean yet. What I usually do is when you backwash, it's actually dumping water from the pool out. So it's actually, lowering the level, and you can see the level of the water is just below the top of the skimmer hole. And you want to backwash it and keep this water below that skimmer level, because otherwise nothing gets sucked into there to get cleaned out. So you can let it run a little while. Like if it just rained a lot, you can let it run a little bit more water out. But you want to keep an eye on that, and then come back over here and check how this is going. It's probably clean now. Yeah, you can see the water is basically like just clear, so it's pretty much ready. Like I said, if it rained a lot, you can let it run clear for a little bit longer, but it doesn't take long. You can see it looks like it lowered it already, maybe by a quarter of an inch or half inch or something. You don't want to get it too low. So then once the water's clear and it's below the line of the skimmer, come back down here, go through the little gap in the trees. Just got to remember to come back here and turn this filter off again, because you can't move these levers while that's running. Push this down, turn it to filter, come over here, turn that on again, and shut it. You're gonna hear that click back on. What I do sometimes is I come back over here, and each time we backwash it, it actually takes more of the pool is getting cleaner. You can see there's still dirt and crud on the floor of the pool. At that point, what's healthy to do for the pool is you take this brush, gotta get that off there. Let's see if I can hold this one. Put this brush on here. Brush on here, and then what I'd like to do is stir up the pool, because when you stir it up, see all that dirt in there, that pulls it off the bottom and it gets it to a point where it's kind of being filtered instead. So some of it's going to settle back on the floor of the pool again, but when you stir this up, it gets sucked into the skimmer and the drains in the bottom of the pool. You can see it's making like a dirty plume. But when you sweep it down toward the drains, those drains suck that up. It goes into the filter, and so when you backwash it, it goes out into the ground where it's supposed to go. All right, thanks, Alex.